किसी व्यक्ति के अगर 2 जगह वोट भी हो तो भी वो एक ही जगह वोट करने जाता है। 2 जगह वोट करना कानूनी अपराध है।
But then there is Rakesh Sinha ji voting twice. He voted in Delhi just a few months ago. Now the same Rakesh Sinha ji, he is voting again. This time in Begusarai, Bihar. And if you think he is alone, no. Santosh Oja from BJP, same story. Voted in Delhi earlier and is now voting in Bihar's Buxar. Nagendra Kumar voted in Delhi in February and now again in Bihar this November. And please understand, these are publicly posted photos. If they had not posted this, no one would have come to know about it. Just imagine how many more duplicate votes go unseen. 17 lakh trees they were cut in Hasdeo for Adaniji's coal mines. 40% mangroves were wiped out in Mumbai for land grab. More than 1,000 acres of country's land was given to Adaniji for a yearly rent of 1 rupees. Today, when you and I, when we are struggling with 40% high petrol prices, joblessness, 65% more expensive food, toll tax, capital gains tax, GST, income tax, our ministers, they are busy making their kids billionaires. Nikhil Gadkari made billions. Why? Because his father forced every Indian to buy E20 ethanol blended petrol, a fuel that is destroying our cars, our engines, lowering our mileage, and is still costing the same. BSNL forgot to bill almost 2,000 crores to Ambani's Jio. That is our money down the drain, and we don't even know that. In just 4 years, 170 bridges collapsed in India. In Bihar alone, 10 bridges collapsed in just 15 days. Siwan, Araria, Kishanganj, Madhubani, East Champaran, Saran. As citizens of this beautiful country, we just have one power, right to vote. Last year, Clause 16 was added so that election commissioners can now lawfully cheat. Clause 16. It literally says no civil or criminal case can be filed against Chief Election Commissioner or election commissioners for anything they do in discharge of duty. What does it mean? It means even if the election commission is caught sleeping, lying, colluding, you cannot touch them. Today, India is not collapsing because of bad people. Today, India is collapsing because good people, they are doing whataboutery. They are busy worshipping rulers. These zombies are cheering for their own atrocities, for justifying the deeds of useless politicians with Nehru, Akbar, Gandhi. Today, we are becoming a circus with rulers as ringmasters, citizens reduced to clowns, cheering their own humiliation. This needs to change. You don't pay me taxes, you pay your elected leaders taxes. Instead of bringing me down, learn to hold your elected leaders accountable. Or else we'll continue to live and die like cockroaches. We'll continue to die in stampedes, ICUs, electrocution. Why? Because when you had the voice, you shamelessly used it to silence the wrong person.